Hi, I'm Dr. William Hummer. In the practice of general dentistry, we focus a lot on implants, Invisalign, conservative dentistry, microabrasion, which means most of the time with that you don't need to be numb, and taking good care of patients who want as gentle a care as possible. We have experts on our team both in insurance, in chairside, in orthodontic retainer fabrication. We are part of a Molus coaching orthodontic plan. We take good care of working with O Orthodontic Lab. We are well trained in Hyosin implant. We have an entire area of the office devoted exclusively to implants with an extra 400 or 500 parts, so we always have the right thing at the right time for whatever your need is. We moved here in 1985. We've expanded several times. There are 3 doctors in the practice now and 3 hygienists. We are happy to have many long-term care patients, people who've been with us for 10, 20, 30 years.
I came to see Dr. Hummer because I was in a car accident and I lost my front tooth. And he created a bridge in my front teeth, and my teeth now look better than they have ever, even with having all of my real teeth back when I was in 8th and 9th grade, and I'm so happy, and I will forever continue to see Dr. Hummer.
We're one of only 10% of offices that have a Delta Premier status, which means the insurance company would give us more funds toward care that gives you more benefit toward quality of care and time with the doctor. Each evening I try to reach each patient by phone and find out how the treatment went, and to make sure that each person is comfortable in the office in the way they want to be cared for. We talk about risks, benefits, alternatives, and we discuss them to the point where they feel like they know what it is, they can see a picture of what's wrong and why it needs to be fixed, and they can make an important informed decision on what they would like to do. And we'll take good care of you.